All right, good morning, everybody. Just checking over the charts real quick here. All right, good morning, Glenn. How are you, sir? All right, so the only thing I have going in play right now is a crude oil. Let's take a look at crude real quick here. Not seeing a whole lot this morning. Let's look at crude. Long crude, looking for a target, 8105. It's a slow mover, so I don't know if we're going to hit that today or not, but 8105 is going to be my target. 79.85 reversal. Don't have anything. Let's take some of these indices real quick to kind of mix this morning. The mini Russell, nothing there that I like. Mini NASDAQ, nothing there that I like. E-mini S&P. Nothing there that I really like. Natural gas, another one that we watch. Nope, and then I don't think there's anything on gold either. Gold looks like it's coming down. I don't have anything on gold. JDST. My JDST, that's one of my favorites. Let's take a look at JDST. JDST looks like it could go higher here. $560. I have a target sitting at 560 on JDST. I wonder if it's going to hit that. JDST 560. Get up to 560, we could start to take off. So I'm watching 560, even 557. I'll make a note here on 557 as well. All right, so I want to keep an eye on JDST. All right, just really, really quiet, just long a crude oil. Pretty quiet morning. Now, Thursdays, if you've been watching my trading, you know I love Thursdays, one of my favorite days during the week to trade, not only in the morning, but also in the afternoon. Had some nice trading yesterday in my Forex. Glenn, is everything working on that side? I know I'm not the best expert here with this YouTube. We sounding okay? Can you see everything okay? Take a look at my FRX. See, a lot of heavy buying coming in. I think IFRX could shoot up above 6 again today. I definitely want to keep an eye on IFRX.
CER.
All right, so we're going to keep an eye on that. Let's see, what else was I looking at? YANG. Nothing there. Now, if I can get YANG, I'm gonna make a note on YANG up here at 10. Let's see here. In 10. I mean, the spread between the bid and ask only a penny, which is good. Not huge volume, 121,000 shares. I'll keep that on my radar. All right, let's see what else. PALI was a nice mover the other day. What's PALI doing? I could see PALI coming up. PALI 238. It's only about 8 cents higher. But it's definitely on the move. Definitely on the move. Okay. AMC. A lot of volume on AMC. Over 6 million already. Interesting. Okay, so Okay, tell you what I'm looking at on AMC. I'm gonna make a note up here. At 465 on AMC. Create a little alert up here, 465 AMC. There we go. YANG. All right, still waiting. Another 15 minutes here before the opening bell. Still on crude. Can't really see much on crude. Yeah, it looks ugly. Okay, pretty even on the book. See a little bit more buying in here. So we are long crude. So we'll continue to hold on to the crude. Folks, just quiet, very quiet. I think we're going to pick up here after the opening. Would expect it to be a big day. Tomorrow's going to be dead. I'm not even sure if the market, I think the markets are closed tomorrow. Let's see. Yes, so well, first of all, quick disclosure. This is for informational and demonstrational purposes only. Also, keep in mind that I do not recommend that you mirror my trades, nor anybody else for that matter. There is a delay when I go through YouTube, so keep that in mind. If you would like to follow us real time, you'll have to join us on our live Zoom room, in our live Zoom room. There is no delay on that. But I am not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice. I do not trade other people's funds. I've been trading for the last 40 years, and the methods that you see me using here are just two tools that I've developed that I've been using now for the last 35 years. It's a very simplistic way of trading in the sense that I only have a couple things to look at. I have my patterns, which set up the buy and sells. I have several patterns that I look at. And then I use what I call, well, I didn't name it, but it's called Einstein. It provides me with price targets. And each one of the patterns will have a different target. The accuracy on the targets are over 72%. Patterns are over 70%. So overall, definitely have the odds tilted in my favor. But once again, that doesn't mean I'm going to be successful in every trade, nor will anybody else. Keep in mind that there is a lot of noise in the market that we cannot predict. And so the best anybody's going to be able to do long term is somewhere probably between 65 to 70%. Long term. If you're really good and you're really hitting, you can get up to 70%, but consistently over that is very, very difficult. I don't know if anybody's been able to do it. And I'm not talking about a week. I'm not talking about a month. I'm talking about years. But anyway, that being said, it's pretty quiet this morning. I don't have anything on. Well, I may be getting I'm watching natural gas. Let's take a quick look at natural gas because that may be setting up a short. All right, I could see a short on natural gas down here at 2105 is what I'm seeing. Yeah, 2105. Make a note in here, 2105. Yeah, we do have a wall of buyers down here at 21 even. Let's see what we have beyond that. I'll still take my short at 21.05, but be careful around 21 even. All right. $21.05. Trying to set my alert. My alert here. 21.05. Let's do that again. That ringing you heard was the alert, but I have to fix that. 21.05. Okay. We hear the ring. That means we want to sell that natural gas. I'm going to sell at 21.05.
HIBS. HIBS.
HIBS. Take a look at HIBS. You know, that was one that we have definitely been watching. HIBS. HIBS. I do have some targets, but there are going to be possibly they could be take a little bit of time to hit, but I have one up here at 568. Looking for additional patterns. Okay, here's another one. 576.
DKPT.
And definitely run into the sell now. We need to get over. We need to get over like 570. We get over 570 on HIBS, it's probably going to take off. Anyway, I've got some. I'm going to watch some targets up here on this. There he is. Good morning, sir. Okay, still on crude. I'm going to try to scalp a little bit out of this PALI. PALI. Try to scalp a little bit out of that. Let's get it through 245. I want to really see it go through 245 where we're sitting at right now. PALI. Sitting at 237. Just bring it down. 210 is probably going to be a really nice entry. Let's see what else we have down here. I'm going to wait on PALI. Definitely will be on my radar today. All right, let's see what else we have. LMLN is one I want to watch. I'm going to buy a little bit of LMLN. Jump into that real quick. Morning, sir. What do you have on the radar? Anybody see anything they really like out here? Oh, IFRX. Yes. IFRX is looking good. Let's get a target on that. The 605. The 608. And a bunch of targets up here. Wow, 613. All right, I'm going to keep that on the radar. CNSP.
CSSE. JDST. PXJ. DUST.
Oh yeah, CNSP. That thing is just taking off. Back up a little bit on that.
CSSE.
Yeah, looks good.
CSSE.
CSSE. WEBL. Yeah, I was watching that yesterday. WEBL.
CSSE.
Time I want to get into something, I hesitate. So I'm just watching to see what we're doing here. Man, I wouldn't touch, I don't think I would touch that WEBL yet. No, I don't like WEBL. I don't like the way, I don't have any, I have some sells in there. I don't have any buys. Stay away from that. Another look at the CNSP.
HIBS.
Yeah, that's too crazy. I don't want to touch CNSP. Little bit too wild for me.
INZY.
HIBS, because definitely volume picking up on HIBS. Once again, I saw some targets up here. I'm not in HIBS. CSSE.
CSSE.
Yeah, I could see CSSE.
CSSE.
Come up to 188. I don't want to touch that.
INZY.
Now, INZY has been on the radar before, and I like to see these pop up again and again and again. INZY.
HIBS.
Nice find down here on INZY. All right, looks like that's a pharmaceutical company.
FFT. HIBS. HIBS.
Oh, buy entry. All right, AMC. I was watching for AMC. All right, I'm going to buy a little bit of AMC here. Let's get through 470. All right, I am in AMC. Where did I get in AMC? 59, 459. Wall of sellers up here at 470.
INZY.
INZ1. Look at DUST was another one I've been watching.
Oh,
DUST, yeah, take that off the radar. YANG. Yeah, I'm gonna watching YMG up here at 1010. Still keeping an eye on my natural gas. Have not been triggered on natural gas.
DUST.
Yeah, I am getting a short now on RTY, which is going to be the mini Russell. Let's look at the mini Russell real quick. Target on mini Russell is going to bring us down to 1754. Profit target 1754. Long crude, short the mini Russell. Reversal, I'm going to be watching up here around 1769. Let's look at crude, still long crude. Ugh. Not liking crude. It may reverse on me. But on that, natural gas, still want to sell this natural gas down here around 2105.
HIBS.
I think we reverse shorted on crude. Yeah, so crude just turned around and went short.
SECO. INZY. SECO. SECO. SECO.
All right, we're short crude now. Let's get a target on crude.
SECO. DUST. JDST.
Target's gonna be, now I'm looking at 79.45.
SECO. SECO. SECO.
And then I'll stop trading if it goes all the way up to 80.25. All right, 80.25. Sorry, 80.65. 80.65. See if it's some room. 80.65. All right, so we're short crude. Short my favorite mini Russell.
DUST. YANG.
Yeah, a little bit better. See it there. All right. That's saved. All right, short crude. I don't have anything on the mini NASDAQ. Let's look at mini NASDAQ.
ST.
On what else? The mini down. Don't have anything on that. It's going down. Everything's going down.
DUST.
DUST.
Profit target hit. Profit target hit.
That's something I was watching on JDST. JDST hit a upper target. Let's look at JDST. Yeah, hit an upper target up here. I actually hit two targets. Target one, target two. All right, but I am no longer, I'm not in JDST. I am in AMC. Let's look at AMC. AMC is kind of hanging in there. And it's going to be a little tight up here. Look at a lot of selling coming on. Also have a lot of buying going on. A lot of buying going on around 440.
CKPT.
Or 64.65. We have some selling. I'm in at 459. I was watching what is going on with IF. That was a real big one yesterday. And I'm not seeing anything until it pops up in these higher levels. YANG was definitely on my radar. 1010 is what I'm looking at. I may take INZ. Let's see what's going on with INZY. INZY. Would like to see some more volume on INZY. 4-cent spread, bid ask. Volume's too light. CNSP.
SECO.
GFAI now, it's a little bit over $10. Let's look at GF. GF. What's the AI stock? They've been really hot. That looks really good. Got into a little bit of selling up here, though. I can see that popping up, though. Good volume, over 3 million. But the spread between the bid and the ask, which is weird, about 12 cents. I don't want to jump into that.
DUST.
Maybe AI.
JDST.
You know, BBAI is going to be a good buy up here at it's not that far away. 240. 240.
HUSA.
I'll buy a little bit of BBAI. All right, I'm in BBAI. I'm also in AMC. Let's check on AMC. All right, AMC is working up nicely. Another target up here. All right, have a target of 476. $476. You got a ton of sellers around 470. Bunch of buyers at 450, 445. Probably don't want to hold on to AMC too long. Okay, well, I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out of AMC. I don't like it. I'm still in BBAI. Yeah, tomorrow is Good Friday. Yeah, that's right. Market is gonna be closed tomorrow for Good Friday. So we're gonna see, we should see some pretty good activity today. May have a little bit of Forex trading in the morning. We'll watch and see. Judging GFAI right now. GFAI looks like I may want to pull back a little bit in here. It's a little bit over 10. It's a $12 stock. All right, let's take a look at YANG. I'm still watching for YANG up here around 1010. No, we don't want to touch that one. HIBS. I like HIBS. I'm not in it. One more level sitting up here. 475, 476. Let's see, what is that? 476, I'm sorry, 576. No. EVLX. Maybe a little bit. That may be a player later on in the afternoon. Out of AMC. See what AMC is doing. Yes, AMC is starting to come down. Out of AMC. INZY.
JDST, DUST. INZY.
The DUST. I don't like the charts on DUST. I could see it coming up a little bit more.
DUST.
I could see 985. $991. Let me see. Yeah, 991.
INCY.
I want to jump into it.
DUST.
I mean, I'm still on BBAI. Let's look at BBAI. Yeah, BBAI. Been on BBAI. I'm still in BBAI. I'm in at 242 right here. Let's see, it looks like it's starting to move up again. Yeah, there you go. But you're gonna run into a ton of sellers up here around 470. Got a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, but you're gonna definitely get some selling up here around 470. There you go. Oh, I was watching LM. Yeah, so I want to see what that's doing. Um, um, you know what? I like JDST. I want to jump in. I'm going to take a little bit of JDST. All right, gonna take a little bit of JDST.
CONX.
All right, long JDST, long BBAI. Get this thing moving. Let's see what we have here. See, nice volume coming up. I'm drying up a little bit on the volume. I think we're going to have another run on JDST. BBAI, I'm still in. RTY, I'm still in short. Crude, I'm still in short. Crude's not doing anything. I'll get out at 80.65. It comes back up. I've already been short. I've already been long. And it got stopped out and had the reverse. Now I'm short. So we'll see what crude does on the short side. All right, let's watch BBAI. That's starting to move. All right, folks, you know what? We are already past the hour. So that is going to wrap it up. We'll try to do a little bit of Currency trading tomorrow, a little Forex. We'll just have to wait and see. So besides that, that's gonna wrap it up. Everybody have a great trading day. Be careful. I will be trading tonight in our live room with our subscribers. So we'll do some trading. We'll do mainly we trade we trade Forex at night. So always enjoy doing that. Nights are really good for Forex. And BBAI is slowly working its way up. Have a little bit of profit on BBAI. So I'm long BBAI, JDST, short the mini Russell, and short the crude. All right, that's gonna wrap it up. We'll see everybody first thing tomorrow morning. Take care.